Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to freeze your CoinEx account. To freeze your CoinEx account, first of all, launch open the CoinEx application and make sure that you're inside the home page after logging in. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on your human icon or your profile icon at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, go ahead and tap on the security button. Scroll down to advanced settings and tap on the freeze account button at the bottom. Now, make sure you go ahead and read the terms and conditions before freezing your account. After freezing your account, the trading, withdrawal, and login service will be prohibited. The API private key in the account will be deleted. All the pending withdrawal requests will be cancelled and executed, and unexecuted orders will be cancelled as well. You can reactivate your frozen account later on, but the activation process will take 3 to 30 days after verification. Select a region while you are trying to freeze your account from the bottom and click on the I understand box at the bottom and click on freeze account. Follow through the instructions, and then you may also need to verify your account via your two-factor authentication method. Simply go through that and you will be able to freeze your CoinEx account in just a couple of steps. That is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.